Hello guys and welcome back into a new run video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a GitHub pull request. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically there are many ways or many tools that would allow you to start doing pull requests in your repositories. And basically a pull request is just importing or fetching all the changes that has been done into your remote repository, which is GitHub in our case, into your local repository. That means let's suppose that this is a project, which is exactly this one. And let's suppose that I have added, let's just add some lines. For example, I'm just going, let's edit this one, edit this file, and I'm just going to type, hey, I will commit changes. And let's just do this, commit changes. And now in my main, I have this hey. And basically, in this main page that I have in my computer doesn't has a hey. And basically, in VS Code, you are able to do some pull requests. And here I'm just going to click on synchronize changes. And basically, it will do a pull request. And as you can see, a hey has been added. Another way to do it is by using git command that are, of course, git commands that would allow you to do some pull. So you can simply just type git pull and it will start pulling. And as you can see, it's already on this. Let's redo the same step. So I'm just going to do a 12 or whatever. So I'm just going to edit again and I'm just going to add 12 or whatever and commit changes. And basically I will do the same command and git, and as you can see it will import the changes. You can also do it with a GitHub desktop. So you will be needing to have GitHub desktop, and of course you will need to open these the one that I'm working on, and basically those are other projects. So you will need just to search for repositories, and basically you will be needing just to go here and add local repository. You will need to search for your project, which is this one. You will go to desktop, and basically I'm just going to click in select folder, add repository, and basically you can find uh, these changes, and those are the history that I have added. And whenever you want to use or to have some pull requests, you will find the changes that will be showing here, and then you will be able to click on pull request that will be showing. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.